Welcome guys, if you want to perform the hard reset of your Garmin DriveSmart 61, at the first you have to open the settings. Next you have to scroll down, find device section, then scroll down all the way down and select reset. Right now select delete data and reset settings. Confirm by tapping on the yes. You have to remember that all data will be deleted. Confirm, and right now we have to wait for the first setup, so just be patient. Okay, and as you can see, it's complete. The hard reset is complete, and right now we can go for the first steps and just set up your device. So that's how you can perform the reset of your Garmin DriveSmart 61. It's very simple. You can find this option in the settings. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.